Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Leetcode daily challenge, minimum common value. So we are given with two integers, array num1 and num2, sorted in non-decreasing order. So we can use this thing for a further question, and we are required to return the minimum integer common to both arrays. If there is no common integer amongst num1 and num2, return -1. Note that an integer is said to be common to num1 and num2 if both arrays have at least one occurrence of that integer. So now here let us first check about the constraint. So here we can see the constraints are up to 10 raised to power 5, right? So that means 10 raised to power 5 to 10 raised to power 10. That will give TLE, right? So we can't use n square solution. We are required to use either n or n log n solution. Means or we need to use. Now, nums1 and nums2 have numbers up to 10 raised to power 9. Means basically individual values of the numbers could be up to 10 raised to power 9. And num1 and num2 are sorted in non-decreasing order. So non-decreasing order simply refers to that it will be increasing also, and some duplicates could also be present. Now, next thing, let us first check about the examples. So, an example, num1 and num2. So, there's 1, 2, 3, and 2, 4. They have asked for the minimum common. So, minimum is this, but it is not present in this, right? So, now we'll go to next minimum. Now, the next minimum, although it is greater than 1, but is it common? Yeah, it is common and it is minimum in next one also. So, now this would be the minimum common and we are required to return that. Now for this 1, 2, 3, 6 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the minimum but not present here. Now this is the next one but this is present here, and this is minimum among all the common ones, means this 3 and 2, right? So we'll return this 2. Now any other example? No. So like this only we can go ahead and check. So here first we'll try to go ahead with extra space, although that solution can also be just order of n. So in that context, we'll go ahead. So the naive approach which comes to mind, which is for order of n square anyhow, the approach would be n square by taking two loops, nested loops, and searching for both of them, minimum among both of them, right? But the other approach where we can go ahead with the order of n solution, that would be storing this in unordered, basically you can say unordered set or hash set, and this one also just pushing into the other unordered set and side by side comparing them, that which is the minimum which we got, although these are already sorted in order, right? So because of that thing only we can easily go ahead and check for the minimum one. Now let us go ahead with the coding part for the same. So as I told, we would be using one set because duplicates are also there. 1 minute. So now we are taking two sets, then inserting nums1 all the elements in n1. Then for j in nums1, n2 dot insert j. If n1 count j means the same thing is there in n1 also, then at that moment we'll return j. And why we are returning just at that moment? just because of the fact because it is in increasing order. So whatever is the first common element that we can return, else we'll return -1. So this was all for this particular question. But there, if you are having another approach which is much more optimized, because I'm sure there would be, then you can comment that down. And yeah, before going ahead, here order of n, time complexity, we can see order of n, and this one also order of n, time complexity order of n, and the space complexity here is also order of n because we are using this extra space. So yeah, if you have any other approach, you can comment that down. And if you really like the explanation, the solution, you can like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this among your friends. So this was all. Thank you.